Welcome to our channel. Today we explain how to activate Trakt.tv and sync streaming apps step by step. To activate Trakt.tv and sync your streaming apps, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Trakt.tv website. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up and create a new account. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings page. Locate the section labeled API or Apps. Here, you will find options to connect your streaming apps. Choose the streaming app you want to sync, such as Netflix, Hulu, or Prime Video. Click on the app to see the activation instructions. Make sure to follow the specific prompts provided for that app. You may need to authorize Trakt.tv to access your streaming account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permissions. After authorization, return to the Trakt.tv settings. Ensure the app is now listed under your connected applications. Next, go to the streaming app you just connected. Find the Settings or Account section within that app. Look for options related to third-party integrations or services. Select Trakt.tv from the list and confirm the sync. Once synced, your watch history and lists should begin to update automatically. Test the connection by watching a show or movie on the streaming app. Check back on Trakt.tv to see your progress reflected there. Adjust any preferences in your Trakt.tv account for optimal usage. Now, your Trakt.tv account is activated and synced with your streaming apps. Follow the steps carefully to complete the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.